Good morning prep class. Today is day 13 and our topic is and words. Firstly, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा ये रिव्यू कर दूँ. Our first step, write A to Z on notebook. Second step, write vowels. Step 3, learn sound A to Z. Step 4, learn vowel sound. Because vowel sound जो होते हैं थोड़े से डिफिकल्ट होते हैं, उनके साउंड आपस में सिमिलर होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी लर्न वॉवल साउंड. स्टेप 4, मेक वर्ड्स विद साउंड. दिस इज आवर फोर्थ स्टेप. And yesterday we learned at words and today we learn and words. This is and. Look at there. The ending sound is and. Now k and can, f and fan, and man, p and pan, t and tan, v and van, can, fan, man, pan, tan, van. So second step, when you learn and words, you make a note. Take out your notebook, write date, CW and day. Draw the margin line and draw the central line. Write topic and words and write and words, and then student write their and words and also learn. Okay, then if you can draw these things, can, fan, van, and then you open your next page, write topic and words and write again these and words. Thank you, students.